Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is you're probably thinking like, girl, didn't you wear that same hair and same makeup and same shirt yesterday? No, I am filming 2 videos in one whole day, so you're gonna see it. It's probably gonna look like that, but because I just got this in the mail, so I wanted to do a video, and I'd rather just have 2 videos instead of having you guys wait. So I filmed that way I can just have both videos filmed and edited and ready to go. So I'm gonna try to film every single day, if not every other day, at least 4 videos per week. I'm hoping. I just been so busy, but I am so sorry that I keep having you guys wait. And some of you guys have been asking me like, hey girl, when's your next video? So I'm gonna go ahead and show you in this next video. We're gonna do a Ipsy unbagging. So if you don't know what Ipsy is, I've always say this, just I will put the link in the description, that way you guys can check it out yourself. Also, if you hear any crunching or like someone drinking water, it is my dog. She is right here underneath me and her bowl is right here, so she's eating, so sorry about that. But so normally there is a theme, and I'm gonna go ahead and pull the card out before I even show you the bag. So the theme for this month, it says it's National Women's History Month, which is cool. Now they're showing you the products that you're getting, which I don't want to see that, but this is the card right here. And yeah, so this is what the March bag is for that. The bag itself I already love. This is what the bag looks like. It is so pretty. It is a rose gold with like a royal blue zipper. If you guys don't know royal blue, I love royal blue, even though my favorite color is purple and red, but royal blue reminds me a lot of sapphire, which is my favorite stone. A lot of girls like diamonds, some of them like rubies. I'm a sapphire girl. Like, I love sapphires. That is my, and that's why on my piercings you will see I have sapphires on them. So I love sapphire. So that is pretty cool how they incorporated the blue with this. I think it looks really pretty. And the bag says, and off she went to change the world, which I think is really awesome. But before we get into the product that's outside the bag that doesn't fit, I'm just gonna kind of describe this for you guys a little bit. I like the way it feels, because if you guys don't know, I mention this every single time, that the bag is the same material that I like. I like anything material like this, where it's kind of vinyl-y, so that's easier to clean. And so I know people are probably like, what do you do with all the makeup bags? Honestly guys, either I'm gonna go out and I'm wearing a dress and I'll use it as like a little wristlet, or I will use them to put products in here, like say like for the king, say I'm collecting money or whatever, I'll just put it in here, have it in there. Or we use them, actually mainly use them, me and my girls use them for the time of the month. We put like pads in here, like tampons and all that girly stuff that we have to go through monthly. This is what we use them for. So anyway, before I go into that, we're gonna go ahead and pull out the first item. This is another brush, and I've been getting brushes every month, which I'm not complaining, because I love brushes. I'd rather get a brush every month than a polish, but that's just me, because I get my nails done all the time. Right now I haven't got them done. I broke some, as you can tell. Like, I'm just been busy, and you know I'm busy when I haven't gone to get them done, because normally when I break one, I go get them done really, really quick. So back to that, I'd rather just get a brush rather than polish. So this is called Cheek. At first I thought it was Clinique, because that's what it looked like. I don't know if you can see that. If you were just to glance at it, it looked like Clinique, but it's called Cheek, I think is what it says. And this is a blush brush, which I feel that this can even be good for a bronzer, because like the angle of it is flat. I like to use it like that, but it feels nice. It feels soft. I don't think I own any brushes that have like a cream color feel to this, and I do have some that have a gold tint to it, but this is really pretty. This is really, really nice. So, oh, plus, I gotta take a drink, guys. Hold on. On to the next. So you open the bag and you're gonna see, I was hoping it was blue on the inside, but it is pink. So I'm gonna pull out the first product. This is by, I always say this wrong, Siat. They sell this product at Sephora. The company, that company is at Sephora, I meant to say. And this is a pinkish lip product, and it doesn't say if it's a gloss or what. It's called a lip lustre. So it says, let's go ahead and open this up. So here is the wand. So it's just like a nice like tint, like a shine to your lips, which I think is really nice. Stuff like this, I only normally use it if I'm gonna be at the dance studio and I have my hair up and I'm teaching dance, and I do always wear makeup, but I don't want to have like a bold lip, so I'll just put something like this. Or if I'm going to the dentist to get some dental work done, get my teeth cleaned or whatever. You know, you can't wear anything, but when you get out, you know, your lips are kind of like dry. This is where I'll put stuff like this or whatever. But like even Addison, she doesn't wear makeup, but there's times where she just wants like a little gloss. Like my girls, they'll put something like this, which I think is nice. It feels a little sticky on the back of my hand, but I don't know how it feels on the lips. But that's pretty color, and it smells a little bit like, I don't know why, but to me it smells like frosting, like a cupcake. You know, you grab it and it smells like frosting. Like that's what it smells like. That's what frosting smells like. April, duh. But that's what it reminds me of, like just like a cupcake or a piece of slice of a cake, and you smell it and it smells like good, like sweetness. So it smells good. I hope I didn't get my nose. Okay, so next product is a Tarte, and this is a man eater. And I believe this is mascara. Yes, it is mascara. I am so excited. I don't want to open it because I don't want to use it, but because I have to use the other ones, because you know, once you open a product, you're opening it and then you start counting the days. That's why they have the 6 month or 12 month here. 6 month or 12 month here on when to get rid of the product. But mascara doesn't last long. Ooh, I like this kind. I actually love this kind of bristle, so I'm so excited for that. Put that here. That's where my mascaras go and whatnot. Next, we're gonna pull out. This is a lemongrass and green tea stimulating body lotion. It's infused with lemon zest and citrus. I've never tried anything like this before, especially not a lotion. Usually with anything that's tea, like lemon, it's like a face wash, because I heard it's really good for the face, which I have one that has lemon, but I haven't used it yet. But a lotion, that's pretty cool. I can't wait to try this out. I'm always looking for a nice lotion throughout the day because my hands get a little dry. And the last but not least is a Lord & Berry. This is a pencil liner. Now this right here I'm not excited about because I don't wear pencil liners. I normally would wear the ones where twisties and liquid, or not like a pencil like this. My mom does, so I'll be giving her this little black liner. But that is it for this Ipsy. It was okay. It wasn't something that was like like every single thing. If I had to pick a favorite, I would probably pick the mascara and the brush, those two out of everything. But sometimes per month you get something that you really like, some other months you get something that you don't like, and then it just varies, it depends. But anyway, that is it for this video. I hope you guys like it. If you do subscribe to Ipsy, let me know what you guys got, and if you have a video, go ahead and put the link in the bottom so I can check it out. But anyway, that is it. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to slam the subscribe button and ring that bell to be notified for future videos. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.